Hi, my name is Ganesh Balamitran, Business Development Manager for RZ Microprocessors at Renesas Electronics. I have news to share about two campaigns that we are running around the Renesas RZA Startup Project: the Make the World a Better Place Design Challenge and the RZA Startup Global Launch. The Make the World a Better Place Design Challenge was kicked off in May 2018 and has inspired the electronics engineering community to develop solutions that make a positive impact. And Renesas will be awarding up to $10,500 in cash prizes to help transform those solutions into reality. Well, we are approaching the successful conclusion of the design contest, and the winners will be announced at the Electronica Trade Fair and Conference held in November 2018 in Munich, Germany. All submissions for the design challenge were based on the RZA Startup Project that was made available to the participants of the design challenge. And now, we are making the RZA Startup Project available to all engineers through the RZA Startup, the global launch of the RZA software package. The RZA Startup Project works with both E2 Studio and IAR integrated development environments and is available for download from the URL below. The RZA Startup Project runs on StreamIt, the hardware kit for developing applications. Information about StreamIt is available at this URL on the screen. So, it is time for the RZA Startup. Let's get started developing applications on the RZA StreamIt kit with the RZA Startup package.